Hey cousin, let me show you how I make my super easy garlic shrimp. I'm mincing about 3 tablespoons of garlic, which is roughly 10 to 12 cloves, and I add 2 teaspoons of salt, combine and set it aside. Then I roll up a bunch of fresh parsley and I give it a fine chop. Set that aside too. To my pan going on medium heat, I add 3/4 of a stick of unsalted butter, or about 6 tablespoons, along with my garlic and salt mix. Stir to combine the flavors, and then I squeeze in the juice of half of a lemon or lime, whichever you have handy. Next, I add in the fresh shrimp, and I'm using 1.5 pounds of jumbo shrimp that I peeled, deveined, and cleaned, and I toss them into the butter sauce. Shrimp cooks fast, so I let them cook for 2 minutes on one side, then I flip them over, and another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. I add a little black pepper and crushed red pepper for a kick, combine, and add the fresh parsley last. This is a fair warning, cousin. Your loved ones will love this recipe. Enjoy!